Hello everyone, welcome to ccqMap.com. This is a video tutorial for QMap Starter. In this video, I'm going to show you the main feature and layout of this software. Now let's start the program and open a sample picture. First, there's one thing I want to mention. Now we are using QMap Starter. There is also a demo version available to be downloaded for free on ccqMap.com. You can go to the website and give it a try. So what does QMap do? In general, QMap is an image processing and information extraction software. Its main feature is to use defined and identified sample pixels from a certain feature, and to find and extract similar pixels from the same feature of an image. It sounds like a complicated concept, but it is actually really simple, and I will give you some examples in just a minute. Now let's talk about the source image. As you can see, we have prepared 5 images. You can basically use any type of image for this software. This image can be a map, just like this one right here. This is an example of a coastal area. You can use QMap to extract and compare different landscape features that you desire, such as water body, forestry, beaches, pollution, or roads. However, there's no roads and pollution in this picture. Now let me show you an example of information extraction. Let's say I want to extract out all the forest and vegetation in this picture. Let's go to this button called Linear Analysis. First, let's select at least 6 sample points that are forest or vegetation by right-clicking. The program will come up with a definition of forest and vegetation based on the sample points that we selected. After selection, let's just click Test. Now as you can see, all the forest and vegetation are highlighted and extracted. Here, I want to show you another example with something different. This time, I want to find and extract all the light-colored water body in the same image. Just like this area. So let's repeat the steps. Linear analysis. Select at least 6 sample points. But this time, from the Mode menu, we will select No Background information simplification. Bear in mind that previously we were in this background information simplification. And click Test. As now you can see, the background turned black while the desired information is highlighted and extracted in green. In addition, there is a third mode available called No Background Information Extraction. Let's just run through the test again. And this time, the background is shown as black and the extracted information is shown in their original pixels. In other words, there are 3 ways to display the desired and extracted information. And these displaying and extraction methods can be done in just seconds. The source image can also be a medical image, such as an X-ray film. Let's jump to the picture right here so I can give you another example. This is an X-ray film showing some bones where artificial components are used. Let's say I want to find out where are all the artificial components located in this X-ray film. So first, let's go to Linear Analysis button again. And we will select sample points from an artificial component, such as this articular cartilage right here, by right-clicking. After running the test, the software extracts other artificial components in the same image. However, the software also picks up some pixels in the bone area. That is because some of the bone pixels are very similar properties comparing to the articular cartilage. Same method can be applied to an ordinary image, just like this photo of a snake. This time, we try to extract the black scales of this snake. So we will select sample points as usual and run the test. See, it is very quick and accurate. We have captured most of the black scales in this photo for under 2 seconds. The last example I'd like to show you is the weather forecast satellite image. Looks like a hurricane is approaching. Now in this image, there are a lot of different features such as the cloud movement, water body, land, and vegetation. Here we are trying to extract out all the clouds in this image so we can trace the movement of the hurricane. So as usual, we start by selecting sample points of cloud and click Test. Here we go. We traced all the clouds in just 2 seconds. As you can see, the application of QMap is endless. This software can be applied to drastically different images in various industries, and its process speed is remarkably fast. I will discuss more in future tutorial videos. In addition, this software comes with other basic features such as brightness and contrast adjustment. Sharpness and smoothing tool. These tools are quite useful sometimes. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and see you next time.